मैं आज शेयर करूँगी एसएसबी पीजीटी का पेपर 2 एंड पेपर 3, 2 पेपर एजुकेशन का है। तो मैं पेपर 2 तो शेयर कर चुकी हूँ, ये पेपर 3 है और पेपर 1 जनरल पेपर है। तो आप जाकर देख सकते हैं, पेपर 2 में शेयर कर चुकी हूँ और ये पेपर 3 है जो 100 क्वेश्चन है। तो ये भी हम 2 पार्ट में ख़त्म करेंगे, पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2। पार्ट 1 में 50 क्वेश्चन, पार्ट 2 में 50 क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? ओके, सो ये है ओपीएससी पीजीटी एजुकेशन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। The guidance which assist one in choosing and preparing for an occupation is related to vocational education. Option C is correct. 1 का C होगा. Next, a process carried out in one-to-one social environment is one-to-one face-to-face is related to counseling. So option B is correct. 2 का B. The proponent of non-directive counseling is किसने दिया है? कार्ल रोजर्स. Option A is correct. 3 नंबर. Arrange the step of directive counseling of in descending order. ओके, सो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है। तो फर्स्ट आएगा फॉलो ऑफ, जो लास्ट फॉलो ऑफ, ठीक है। इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में होगा तो अलग होता है, ये लास्ट से फास्ट तक आएगा बिकॉज इट्स डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर। तो लास्ट में क्या है? फॉलो ऑफ। आई भी फास्ट होगा तो इसमें आई भी कौन है? आई भी नेक्स्ट। आई भी में नेक्स्ट स्टेप था काउंसलिंग, थर्ड। नेक्स्ट सी प्रोग्नोसिस, देन फास्ट इज डायग्नोसिस, देन भी आई साइंथेसिस, देन एनालिसिस। ओके, सो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, 4 का ए इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट 5, I feel better when I help someone. The above statement is belongs to इस नॉट इस इंटेलिजेंट टेस्ट नहीं होगा, ये एटीट्यूड बता रहा है ना। इस डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। ये एटीट्यूड बता रहा है कि अगर मैं किसी का हेल्प करूंगा देन आई हेल्प समवन, आई फील बेटर। दिस इज द एटीट्यूड। ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, नॉट इंटरेस्ट इन्वेंटरी, नॉट अचीवमेंट टेस्ट, नॉट इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट। इस डी इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट, एक्लेक्टिव काउंसलिंग इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ डायरेक्टिव, 6 नंबर का ये होगा डायरेक्टिव काउंसलिंग एंड नॉन डायरेक्टिव काउंसलिंग। सो सेकेंड एंड आई भी, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 7 number. A girl IQ is 120. If her age is 10, then find her mental age. Okay, so इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? IQ is equal to mental age divided by chronological age into 100. राइट, मेंटल एज बाय क्रोनोलॉजिकल एज इंटू 100। तो इसको सॉल्व करके बताना मुझे कमेंट करके। मैं इसका आंसर बता दे रही हूँ। ऑप्शन ये आंसर ही ऑप्शन से 12 निकलेगा, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट कंस्ट्रक्टेड एज इंटरेस्ट इन्वेंटोरी? इसका आंसर है 8 का बी। नेक्स्ट 9, चूज द एरिया ऑफ गाइडेंस। 9 नंबर का ऑप्शन सेकेंड, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सेल्फ एंड थर्ड ओरिएंटेशन, नॉट माल एडजस्टमेंट, नॉट रिट्रोग्रेशन। सो सेकेंड एंड थर्ड इज करेक्ट, ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, बी। 9 का बी। 10, which is not a misconception about guidance, not a misconception. Okay, guidance is a process of helping an individual. Yes, this is not a misconception. Guidance is only for, no, this is a misconception. Guidance is the provision of specialist only for special, no. Guidance is maladjustment student, no. Option A is correct. This A is not a misconception. Which is not a non-testing techniques. Okay, 11 का C, rating scale is not a non-testing techniques. Which is not an intelligence test, which is not an intelligence test. Okay, 12 का A, that is not an intelligence test. Raven's progressive matrix, Stanford Binet test, and Coleman assessment battery. These 3 are intelligence test. Next 13. Arrange the guidance serve in the ascending order. Okay, ascending order में हमें लिखना है. So 13, फर्स्ट आएगा ओरिएंटेशन, नेक्स्ट आएगा ओरिएंटेशन, देन प्यूपिल इन्वेंटरी, देन ऑक्यूपेशनल इंफॉर्मेशंस भी, देन काउंसलिंग, देन प्लेसमेंट एंड देन फॉलो ऑफ। ओके, सो इसमें ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, 13 बी। पैटर्न ऑफ एजुकेशन फॉर स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन इज, ओके, फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेशन, यस, सेकेंड partial integration, and third total segregate. Okay, so option A is correct. Choose the integration approaches for special children. Integration approach for special children. 15, special children is sharing the resources, yes, and encouraging friendly relationship, yes. Second and IB is correct. बाकी ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं। सेपरेट क्लासरूम, नो। डिफरेंट शेड्यूल फॉर नॉर्मल स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन, नो। सो सेकेंड एंड IB, C is correct. 16, impairment is the normality of the structure of functions of an organ. And statement 2, disability is the functional consequence of impairment to the individual. Okay, 16C, fast is false. because impairment is the normality of structure or function of an organ. No. Infirmity, no. Disability is the functional consequence of impairment to the individual. Yes. So option C is correct. 17. A person with disability means a person suffering from not less than 14% of any disability as certified by a medical authority is by person with disability Act in the year of 1995. Okay. Next. Choose the causes of disability. 18B is correct. That is second is this is postnatal लिखा है लेकिन ये पेरीनेटल है और प्रीनेटल एंड पेरीनेटल. ओके दिस इज प्रीनेटल. सेकंड एंड थर्ड इज ऑप्शन करेक्ट. पोस्टनेटल प्रीनेटल एंड पेरीनेटल 3 ऑप्शन होगा लेकिन यहाँ पर पेरीनेटल है और यहाँ पर नेटल लिखा है. दिस इज आई थिंक ये प्रीनेटल होगा. ठीक है. नॉट नाटल नॉट न्यू नाटल. ओके पेरीनेटल प्रीनेटल एंड पोस्टनेटल. नेक्स्ट 18 19. चूज द टाइप ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी. So 19 second is locomotor disability and third mental illness disability. Option B is correct. Which is not the reform for special needed education. 20 inclusive curriculum तो है. Multi level instruction curriculum plus rigid curriculum it's not. Next 21 the value of normal vision is 21 6 by 6. The IQ range for the moderate mental illness is 35 to 49. Option B is correct. Language development is not seen even after 1 to 2 years of age is due to 23 is hearing impairment. अगर हमको सुनाई ही नहीं देगा तो हम बोलेंगे क्या. ठीक है. So hearing impairment is most important for the language. So language development is not seen even after 1 to 2 years of the age due to the hearing impairment. 24 which should not be appropriate for learning disabled student. Learning disabled student click criticize. Option D is not suitable. 24 D is correct. Acceptance encouragement and practice is correct. Option not D. हमको criticize नहीं करना है. 25 in 1994 UNESCO organized an international conference on special need education at Salamans. Next the repeatability of the course is known as reliability. 27 a norm reference test describe an individual performance with respect to group. Okay. 27 a norm reference test is describes an individual performance with respect to a group. Yes, this is group. Norm reference test is group. Okay, correct. A criteria reference test describe individual performance with respect to the class. No. So option A is correct and second is false. Okay. Option B is correct. B. Next. B is correct. 28 objectives are 28 का second observations and third measurables. Second and third is correct. B is option correct. Not measurable, non-measurable, non-observable, no. Define thermal equilibrium in your own word belongs to the learning objective. 29 का D understanding. Option D is correct. The domain of Bloom taxonomy of educational objectives are 30 cognitive, affective and psychomotor. Option first, second, third is correct. Yeah. Next 31. The process of assigning marks or grades to an item is termed as its measurement. 31A. 32. Validity is ensure reliability. Yes, true. And the reason is if an item is reliable, that has to be valid. No. Validity test is essential for the reliability, but not reliability test is essential reason for the validity. So option C is correct. 33. If a question is answered by 80% of the student, then the index of difficulty is, so 18% divided by 100, so 0.8. So option B is correct. 33B. Next 34. There are 20 students in high and low group. Okay, there are total 20 students in the high and low group. If the question is answered is correctly by 18 students in high group and 4 students in the low group, then the index of discriminate. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? हाई ग्रुप इसका फॉर्मूला है हाईएस्ट माइनस लोएस्ट डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल. Okay, so total number of people is 20 and highest 18 and the lowest group of the student is 4. So 18 minus 4 divided by 20. इसका आंसर होगा 14 divided by 20. That is so इसको अगर हम 7 5 करेंगे तो इसका आ जाएगा 0.7 आएगा इसका, ठीक है। इसका आ जाएगा यस 0.7 आएगा ये, ओके। ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, 34D। नेक्स्ट 35। Summative assessment happens during the teaching of a concept. During बोला है, so it's formative assessment. So first is not correct, statement 1 is false. Formative assessment happen the end of the no, इसको opposite होगा, ये यहाँ का है और ये यहाँ का है, ठीक है। So both are false. Okay, 35D. The performance tasks can be better assessed through. Okay, option B is correct, 36C. 37. Choose the quality of the test. 37. It's first objectivity, reliability, validity, usability, all of the above. Option D is correct. Next 38. Reliability can be known by coefficient of reliability. 38. Coefficient of stability. I think it's 38. Sorry, it's 38. 38. Coefficient of stability is 38A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. 38A. Coefficient of stability is reliability. Next 39. A primary school should be available within dash kilometer. Primary school is 1 kilometer. 39A. 40. The ratio of total enrollment regardless of age to the population of the age group that officially corresponds to a level of education in GER. Okay, gross enrollment ratio. The ratio of total enrollment of a specific age group to the population in the corresponding of an group of NER, national enrollment ratio. Option both are correct. Both are correct. So statement first and second is true. Option A is correct. 41. 21A was inserted through the Constitutional Amendment 86 Amendment. 41C. This is very easy. 42. Factory favoring the universalization of elementary education are. इसमें दो ऑप्शन है, तो इसमें एक्सेस होगा एंड रिटेंशन होगा. फास्ट एंड IB. C is correct. Next 43. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान 6 to 14 by the year 2010. Option D is correct. Next 44. Which is not the salient feature of सर्व शिक्षा अभियान? Okay. Universal retention of the child by 2010. Correct. Recruitment of 80% of female teacher. Back to school, yes. Focus on innovation project, yes. Option B is correct. 45. The state shall endeavor to provide within a period of 10 years from the commencement of the Constitution for the free and compulsory education for all the children until they complete the age of 14 years. Okay, इसका आंसर होगा 45A is 45 year. Sorry, article 45. Okay, next 46. The scheme launched to enhance access to secondary education is 46D. Ramsa. Secondary education is Ramsa. राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान 2009. Distance education is flexible with respect to space and space and time region. Distance education is more flexible than the formal education. Okay, so SSN is true and region also true, but I think distance education is flexible with respect to space and time. Okay, correct. Distance education is more flexible than formal education. This is also correct. And region भी correct हो रहा है SSN में. तो मेरे हिसाब से ऑप्शन SSN is and region are true. The region is the correct explanation for the SSN. A is correct. 47A is correct. Next 48. The vocationalization of secondary education was started in the year it's B 1988. Which of the following is not essential for the child at early childhood care education and education? It's brain development, technical development, no.